Leo's Lu2 troubleshooting. Common issues. Even the best devices can have problems. The Leo's Lu2 is no exception. Here, we will explore the most common issues you might face. Power problems. Power problems are common with electronic devices. For the Leo's Lu2, check the power source first. Ensure the power cord is fully plugged in. Check if the outlet is working with another device. Inspect the power cord for any visible damage. If the device still does not turn on, there might be an internal issue. Contact customer support for further assistance. Sensor malfunctions. Sensors are crucial for the Leo's Lu2 to function correctly. Sometimes they can malfunction. 1. Clean the sensor area. Dust can block the sensors. 2. Ensure there are no objects obstructing the sensors. 3. Restart the device to reset the sensors. If cleaning and restarting do not work, the sensor might be faulty. You may need to replace it.
Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.